How if I don't know how to cook?
Resources are depleted and business priorities change.
You don't love me too?
Neighborhoods become ghost towns. This scenario is also, to a large extent, the case with the protagonist of our episode. Pawtucket's record was closely tied to its
Why?
industries, especially the textile industry. So
Maybe.
local economy
Probably.
expectations must change. Maintaining such a
And how you know I know how to cook before?
station
Oh, you always cooked?
the period
Where? Here?
became the beginning of the end for the station.
You're always making food.
Following a long period of prosperity,
You want
things
food? You want
started
food?
falling into despair. When
Because
gasoline
we
rationing
work
began
hard,
to
so we need food.
some
Not
people
only you,
wanted
not only me.
But there was more.
We need
The
food.
station's innovative design, for example,
Once you burn your calories, you need to add more calories too.
investment that New Haven Railroad could not handle.
Adding too many.
Anecdotal reports from back then showed that
Because your job is so easy, just sitting down in a table.
The building was eventually closed in 1959, but was trained to remain operational.